Hello everyone. Today we will do class 9th chapter 11 constructions exercise 11.1 question number 1. Construct an angle of 90 degree at the initial point of a given ray and justify the construction. So this question we will be doing in 3 steps. First of all, we will draw angle of 90 degree. We will construct angle of 90 degree. Then we will write its steps of construction and then we will give the justification of our construction. So let us start. So to draw an angle of 90 degree, first of all, we will take one ray. So this is a ray. I can give it a name as OA, ray OA. Now taking O as center, we have to draw an arc. We have to draw an arc of a circle which will intersect ray OA. Let this arc intersect OA at B. Now with the same radius, you have to keep your compass here. You have to draw another arc like this. And with this, you can name this as arc C, or the point where this arc is intersecting the previous arc as C. And with the same radius, you have to draw another arc and let this point where the arc intersect the previous arc, let this point be point D. Now what we have to do, we have to, from point C and D, you have to take the radius more than half of CD and you have to draw two arcs. And similarly, from point D, we will draw another arc. So let these two arcs intersect here at point P. So this is a point P. Now we can join O and P like this. So this will be an angle of 90 degree. So we can write here angle AOP equals to 90 degree. Right? So let us revise what we have done by writing the steps of construction. So these are the steps of construction. The first step is draw a ray OA. So this is the ray OA that we have drawn. Taking O as center and any radius, draw an arc cutting OA at B. Now this arc we have drawn which cut OA at B. Now taking B as center and with the same radius, draw an arc intersecting the previous arc at C. Now with B as a center, we have drawn this arc which is intersecting the previous arc at C. With C as center and the same radius, draw an arc cutting the arc at B like this. At C we have drawn this and it is cutting the previous arc at D. Now with C and D as centers and radius more than half of CD, draw two arcs intersecting at P. Now these two arcs are intersecting at P. Now the last step will be join OP and this angle AOP will be 90 degree. Join OP, angle AOP is 90 degree. Now we have to give justification for our construction, right? So that is, we have to prove that the angle that we have drawn AOP is 90 degree. Now for this what you have to do, first of all, you will join OC, OB and BC, right? This. Now see this will be an equilateral triangle. See how this OC and OB are the radii of the same arc. We have drawn this arc like this and this BC arc we have drawn with the same radius. So we will get triangle BOC is an equilateral triangle. Triangle as OC equals to OB equals to BC. Now therefore we have angle BOC equals to 60 degree, right? Now Now let us join OC and OD. Now similarly see OC and OD. They are also the radii of the same arc, and DC we have drawn with the same radius. So again we can write triangle DOC is an equilateral triangle as OC equals to OD equals to DC. Now after this we get angle DOC also 60 degree. Now we will join DP and CP. Now in triangle DOP and triangle COP, OD is equal to OC. They are radius of same arc. DP is equal to CP. They have arc of same radius. See, these two arcs we have drawn with same radius. This same radius is taken to draw these two arcs. Also, OP is equal to OP. This is common. Therefore, we have triangle DOP is congruent to triangle COP by SSS, and therefore angle DOP equals to angle COP by CPCT. Right? So DOP equals to COP. So this will be equal to half of DOC. These two angles are equal. So these two angles will be half of this complete angle, but DOC is 60 degree. So half of 60. So this will come out to be 30 degree. Now angle AOP is angle BOC plus angle COP. BOC is 60 degree. COP is 30 degree. Therefore, angle AOP is 90 degree.